Hi everyone, I am Dr. Yesh Nishok from EC Department, SNS College of Technology. Here we have gathered to discuss the topic design thinking for low power ICs in wearable devices. Okay, you can start one by one and elaborate the 5 different stages of the design thinking.
First of all, we'll discuss about what is design thinking. Design thinking is a human-centered approach. It has 5 stages in it, that is empathy, define, ideate, prototype, and testing. First of all, empathy. Consider yourself as an athlete or a businessman or either an health issue patient, and if in case the most of the users complaint is always about the battery's life, the battery is dead. For an athlete, if in case of in between a race, if it is a battery dead, then it is a complaint. Then for an health patient, like for checking the heartbeat of the low pulse patients, may be very difficult situation for them to overcome it. And for all those situations, the Qualcomm's team had conducted interviews, surveys, and many things. And for that, it is important for building an wearable IC.
Yes.
So, she explained the empathize stage, and I am here to explain the define stage. So, define stage is what clearly what explain the what the real problem is. So, in define stage, for example, Qualcomm's case, they use low power ICs for making the smartwatches. So the main problem is how can we make a chip that use less power but still works fast and well. So for example, in Qualcomm's, they tested the Snapdragon's via chips, and they observed that it doesn't work well when it's ideal or it's processing data. So the main problems are heat generation that drains the battery, and the energy that losses when the device is not active, and then finally high power usage. So they tries to make the chip that lasts long for like athletes. They need to track their steps, and always wanted to use the GPS, so they don't want to charge the smartwatches again and again. Thank you.
So the Qualcomm identified the causes of the issue.
Yes, sir.
Next, ma'am.
Hi there. After defining the problem, the next stage is ideate. The ideate stage is the all about brainstorming wild ideas without judgment. It is creative and fun, generating many solutions to the power ICs for smartwatches. Qualcomm encourages a diverse team like engineers, designers, and users too. Ideate circuit optimization for low power ICUs might be include using the small transistor to reduce the leakage current, and like in 7 nanometer process, implementing the power gating or shut down unused circuit parts, or adding a smart algorithms to adjust the dynamically adjust the voltage for an ICs in smartwatches based on activity. Other brainstorm concepts integrate energy harvesting from the body heat or the motions in from the ICs for lower power, or optimizing the chips architecture with mind mapping, or how might be work, and or such as the questions to innovation, how we might be make up the IC in chip like a we make the IC chip power like a phone on standard by ensuring ideas are festival at bold, leading to breakthroughs in chips that last days on a single charge.
Okay, let's discuss about prototype. Prototype in design thinking is nothing but it is defining our project by making some models. In Qualcomm's team, they make they make the models using small ICs, and they initially start with circuit diagram. They first draw their circuit diagram on paper. Next, they use simulation software and FQM boards for software. Again, they are able to test, and after that they can they watch the how the models behaving, like power draining, how the power consumption is occurring. After that, it may helps to overcome these problems.
So they are estimating the
Working of the
efficiency of the particular systems. Yes.
Okay, let us discuss about testing. Test stage is to check the product is used in how the product is used in real lifetime, and to find the problems and make them it. Qualcomm is a energy saving chip which is used in smartwatch modules. The smartwatch modules are used in day-to-day life, like walking, while sleeping, and getting notifications. While using that, the team will check how the battery is used, how long time the battery is used, how the batteries get heat, and if the battery is used smoothly or not. Yes.
Yes. Okay. So after all, seeing all these 5 different stages, we can conclude that whatever may be the problem, not only this low power ICs. So whatever may be the problem, by using this design thinking approach, we can provide a better solution for all the problems. Thank you all for joining this video.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Thank you.